If you've clicked on this video, you're probably trying to get sales like this, or even like this. Some of you watching my videos are already getting sales like this. But for those of you that are new to Redbubble, there's probably some reasons that are causing you to struggle, which is why today I'm going to be talking about common mistakes that new Redbubble sellers make. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If you're new around here and you haven't already, please do click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any new videos. We've helped a lot of people to get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. So if you need any extra information, down in the description, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide, and for anyone looking to make this more of a full-time thing, I also do have a paid step-by-step guide available down below. To jump straight into this, the first one is not uploading a lot of designs. When you look through Redbubble, there's over 29 million results. So as you can imagine, there's a lot of people putting in work to obviously upload designs out there. Now, if you're someone who's on Redbubble and you're putting up 10 designs and expecting to get a sale from 10 designs, I mean, that's rarely gonna happen. Maybe 1 in 10,000 people will get lucky enough for that to happen to them. So you need to make sure that you're putting up as many designs as you can. I usually say if you can get your first 100 designs before expecting a sale, the sale might even come within those first 100 designs. But you need to have a mindset that will allow you to put out a lot of designs before you expect any sales if you're really looking to be successful on this. The next thing, which is a big thing that a lot of new sellers do, is upload trademarked designs. Now, new sellers don't really understand how Redbubble works, so they'll probably jump onto Redbubble, see what other people are doing and think, oh, I can do it too. So if you're a new seller, definitely do not do this. This is a mistake that could lead you to getting your shop taken down, because you could go through a phase where you upload designs like this, but then you start doing things the right way, but then these designs could lead to your shop getting taken down. So don't be making mistakes such as this, and you can use websites like Trademarked to see if the niche that you're designing for actually has any sort of trademark on it. Those who don't know, Trademarked is completely free to use. This is what it looks like, and let's say if we type in SpongeBob, it will show us whether obviously it's trademarked or not. And obviously, as you can see, SpongeBob SquarePants is trademarked. There's quite a few registered trademarks, so you obviously would not want to be making something under this niche. Another common mistake would be lack of planning ahead. A lot of new Redbubble sellers get onto the site and then start putting up designs. They don't even think about it. They put whatever they can think of. If they get no sales, they start complaining, they give up, or they let it go. But you need to plan ahead if you want a chance in succeeding. You can look at holidays, or you can just create a schedule that allows you to plan better, so you can actually stick to an upload schedule. I've actually done a full video talking about planning ahead and talking about planning in general. So if you want to see this full calendar that's not quite clear in this video, make sure to check out the video I made on this. It'll be linked down in the description and you can learn more about that. A lot of people also don't understand that with holiday designs, you need to be designing them a couple of months before if you want to be in with a chance of competing with people that have literally been in that niche for a long time. This right here is a big one, and it's not changing profit margins. Now, I'm just going to talk about stickers in this example, as I know a lot of people probably do this. Now, when it comes to sticker margins, Redbubble by default sets them at 20% markup. Now, what you want to do is you want to increase this. The profit you get from stickers is actually very, very low, and a lot of people always feel disheartened because they don't really feel like they're making that much money because of this. If you do notice that you have a certain sticker that's doing well, or you're starting to get a few sales coming in here and there, you need to jump those margins up to anywhere between 60 to 100%. And I guarantee you, if you have something that's selling, it will still continue to sell, because on Redbubble, people are always willing to spend a little bit extra if they find something they like. The next common mistake is not activating old products. Now, a lot of people may not even know that Redbubble has secret products that are hidden within the site, but you need to be making sure that you activate those as well. Those secret products are things like kids clothing, you know, toddler pullover hoodies. And if you go on the standard print clothing section on Redbubble, you can actually click into it and see that these things are unchecked. If they're unchecked, you just need to check them, and then you can actually make sure you have more products activated. It's very important to do this, mainly because the more products you have activated, the more chances of getting sales. And if you didn't get what I meant from my little example just then, you want to make sure that you're going on standard print clothing, clicking edit. Once you do that, you want to click on this little gray box here. It will show you a lot of options. Usually kids clothes and toddler pullover hoodies won't be checked, so you want to check them, and then you can actually click on default to make sure that the kids clothing is the same color as the standard print clothing. Trust me, little things like that will make a difference. And if you want, you can even design for some of those secret products, which will pretty much put you up against less competition in certain niches. And finally, we have not setting up Google Analytics. A lot of new Redbubble sellers jump onto Redbubble with their own ideas, their own plans of how to go about things without actually using proven data. Setting up Google Analytics will allow you to actually track which designs are getting traffic for you, which designs are bringing people in. Therefore, moving forward, you know which kind of designs to make more of. This is a common mistake that new Redbubble sellers make due to the fact that a lot of them don't know how to do it. And if you are someone who has no idea how to actually do that, recently I actually made a full updated video on how you can set up Google Analytics. If you haven't seen that, you can check that out right here. If you've made it to this point of the video, down in the comment section, comment down, learn and improve, and I'll reply to as many of you guys as possible. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.